Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one we're covering primary care network workforce data. So we've got data going back to March 2020 and up to January 2023 and new data going in all the time. 900,000 rows of data so far, and you can see all the tables here and their descriptions. I've decided to query all of them because it won't take too long. So we've got headcount staff by staff group and age group, and there's the staff types and the age groups. Then we've got individual level. There's the staff groups, and there's the staff roles. If I just page up so you can see the rest of them, and you just pause the video as you watch it. NHS England improvement region FTE roles staff pool resources. Got the staff types there, and we've got the staff here. If I just page down so you can see them all, there's the rest of them. Then we've got NHS England improvement region headcount roles staff. There's the staff types. And there's the staff. I'll just page down. Then we've got staff headcount by role. So you've got the different staff types here. And the different staff here. I'll page down there. That's all of it. Okay, so ask for a free trial and you can have a proper play with that. Thanks.